Play in the sunlight. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Isn't it sad that the coronavirus hasn't gone away? All of us are still locked in our house for so many months. So today I've drawn this drawing. This is me and my shield, and I'm protecting myself from the coronavirus. How is it?
Beautiful.
And I also made myself green. Do you know why I made myself green? Because I'm wearing green shirt. So how do you protect yourself from coronavirus? You have to wash your hands with a soap for every 2 hours.
And the other thing is?
Social distancing. You have to keep distance for at least 6 feet from others to protect yourself from coronavirus. Today I'm going to show you in an experiment. So I've got a big bowl of water and a bowl of black pepper powder. See? Big bowl with water and a small bowl with black pepper powder.
Yeah.
So let me put the powder on the water. First, I'm not going to put soap on my finger, and I will dip inside the water, and we'll see if it will stick on my finger or not. 3, 2, 1, rocket blast off! Look at this.
So all the powder are stuck on your finger?
Yes. So if you don't wash your hand with soap, then this is how the virus stick on your hand. Look at this. Virus! Virus!
It's dangerous, isn't it?
Yeah. Now let's go and put the soap. I'm going with. So I put soap on my finger and I'm gonna dip it. Slowly but surely. Poof. Oh my God! See, if you wash your hand with soap, then the virus goes away from you. Isn't that cool? This is how you're protected. And I'm safe. So stay safe and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Will you? Play in the sunlight.